The honourable member for Richmond.
Mr. Speaker, I hereby give notice on a future day I shall move the adoption of the following resolution. Whereas Education Week is held from April 21st to 27th to honour teachers and education partners' commitment to their students with this year's theme, Teaching for a Sustainable Future. Whereas Amy McCormick, a grade 4 teacher at the East Richmond Education Centre, has created the Green Team and has worked tirelessly to teach students how to properly sort and recycle in the cafeteria. Whereas Amy and her Green Team have made videos and done presentations to all classes in the school to help promote a healthy environment and stress the importance of reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Therefore be it resolved, members of the House of Assembly congratulate East Richmond Education Centre teacher Amy McCormick on receiving an Education Week award for the creation of her Green Team and her dedicated work with students, which is a great example of teaching for a sustainable future. Mr. Speaker, I ask for waiver of notice and passage without debate.
There has been a request for waiver. Is it agreed? All those in favour say aye. All those against say nay. Motion is carried.